What the fuck? I just did a quick test run. Welcome to Acme. Hello and welcome to another video. As you can see behind me, the car is already gone. But we got a new one. I'm just kidding. That's a project car, and he's getting these and these, all of these.
These nuts.
And some Recaro podiums, which are somewhere up there. And some wheels, they are not here yet, they will come this week. But we are going to Acme in Italy for some more power. The reason is we got a new fuel pump, bigger map sensor, 0 to 2 bars is stock. We have now 0 to 4. And a new TTE upgrade turbo because we fried the last one. And the goal is to get somewhere over 500 horsepower, maybe 520, 540. I'm saying this right now, I have no idea what I'm gonna get, but we'll see. And I hope it's gonna be fun. It's as you can see, sun is shining now. We're going to Acme the day after tomorrow at Lake Garda, and it's supposed to rain the whole 4 days we are there. So, but a lot of talk about cars, and we're gonna see a lot of nice cars and everything. So it's gonna be fun 4 days, and then get back with probably a lot more horsepower than we have now. So that's it. I'd say let's go. So as you can see, you can't see anything. We're just gonna get started. It's 3:30 in the morning, and yeah, fabulous life of a famous race king driver and YouTube guy, and I don't know what else. Welcome to Acme. Let's have a look at the cars they have. Yaris. Yaris. And some other GRs. Yeah, so as you can see, they have a lot of GRs. Oh, and did I mention they have some more GR? And let's head in here, because it's windy and I don't know if you can hear anything. So yeah, we're here at Acme. The goal is that they install a few connectors and sensors and everything, and connect the new fuel pressure or the new fuel pump pressure, and then map the car in here. And the goal is 500 something horsepower, hopefully. We'll see how that goes. And if not, then 450 is also quite fine, but it would be nice if it had a 5 in the beginning. I'd say I'm gonna show you a few pictures of where everything is, and yeah. It's day 2 now, and they're warming up the car on the dyno. That's from yesterday, and they already tested everything and the car's running great. So today is gonna be some fine-tuning, and we'll see, or he's gonna check if the car's able to make any more boost. We're right now at 2.2 bars at roughly 500 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. As you can see on the dyno sheet, there's a lot more power much earlier. That's because the turbo is a lot smaller, even, or at least the exhaust part is much smaller than the last one we had. So it's not as laggy, but also not as top end powerful as the one we had. And we're gonna see how much power this one's gonna make. And me personally, I'm happy with already the 500 horsepower. I'm very, very happy with that. If it gets any better, why not? Let's go all in and let's see how much it can hold.
Hello, I'm the freshest in the place. When I laps with my vibe and you can't keep the pace. Head to toe while I'm dripping in style. I'm fly with $1 million smile. Cannot be me, never could you see me. When you this fresh, everybody wanna greet me. Check the clock, now I check my wrist. Ice so bright, the whole room stay lit. I know you wanna match my style. You haven't seen someone like me in a while. It looks easy, I make it look easy. Born to be fly, know you really believe me. I leave the room, energy remains.
So we're done, or they're done with the car, and they're actually preparing the next one. So they are quite busy. I'm gonna do a quick test drive just here on the closed circuit they have, and then that's basically it. Then we're gonna head home and I'm gonna explain a few things we did to the car. I'm quite happy. We had a 510 horsepower and 606 newton meters of torque, so plenty more than last year, and also it's much earlier than last year, so it's gonna be much better drivable than the previous year, which is good. And now with we can also use anti-lag and everything, so gonna be a lot of fun. Let's head for a quick test drive. Old man is doing half try. Il maestro.
Sì, il maestro di studiare.
So we are back home and I just cleaned the car because it just looked absolutely awful. Just have a look at my very nice rear wheel. Yeah, because it got slashed in a parking lot overnight where we parked at the Peschiera del Garda. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. If not, sorry, Italian. Yeah, but they slashed my tire, and then we had to change that, and yeah, took some time, but fortunately enough I had a spare one, so we could change that, and now I had to order new ones. And yeah, don't know why that happened. Maybe some Trump haters or American haters or people who think it's bad for the environment. I don't know. Whatever it was, we're back home now, and the car is cleaned because it just looked like not so nice. As you can see back there, here. This one. That's our next project. It's a client car, and he's gonna get a lot of stuff. You're gonna see that in the next videos. So, what have we done to the car, or what has Acme done to the car? Let me show you. We just changed a few things. As you can see, the fuel cell, or the additional fuel cell, we have let's go a little bit farther. That's just right now for so the car is running. We change all the lines and everything, so it's in the end a proper installation. Right now it works, and yeah, one is I believe it's this one. Yeah, this one right here is coming straight out of the original fuel cell. It's filling up this one, and from there we're going all the way to the front, and that's basically it. The other two, this one's the return line from the engine, and that's the overflow line into the tank. We had to improvise there a little bit, but it works just fine. Oh, and right now I can use the rear view camera just with one of the buttons, so I have a permanent rear view camera, which is also very nice. Now let's take a look under the hood. Oh yeah, there goes the water. Also there, that's just everything a little bit improvised right now, but we had to do something so it works. Fuel pressure regulator, as you can see, just piped in the stock line. Yeah, that's basically it. It's just a T that goes in here. From here we have a vacuum, and then there, that's the return line, which goes, no, sorry, that's not the return line, is down here. Yeah. So it can regulate the pressure, and that's one going all the way to the back, because stock we don't have a return line. And as you can see, there's no wipers or anything, we just have to put them in. Yeah, that's basically what's been done at Acme. We have, as you can see, another connector right here, which connects to here. That's the boost pressure sensor. Stock one is 0 to 2 bar. This one's right here is 0 to 4 bar. So we can have a little bit more boost. Actually, we don't have that much more boost with the new setup from TTE. It's pretty impressive. We had 500 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque at 2.2 bars, and then basically the stock exhaust housing from the turbo, because the housing is stock, it's just the internals that are different, so it's gonna be fed up with exhaust gases at some point, and that's what happens at 2.2 bars. With 2.4 bars, so no, let me finish that. From 450 to 500 horsepower, it's 0.1 bar. So 2.1 to 2.2 increases the horsepower from 450 to 500. So that's very effective at that range. And after that, with 0.2 bars more, so 2.4 bars, you get like 10-15 horsepower and maybe 10 Newton meters of torque. But it's a lot more stress for the engine and everything. So and it increases the risk of knocking dramatically. So we're not gonna do that. We dialed that back to 2.2 just to be safe, and save these 10 horsepower for somebody else. But right now we have 500 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque, which is plenty. The car's running great. It's a huge beast. As you can see, the torque figures when you see the dyno sheet. So as you can see, the torque it's much earlier. We have 1000 to 1500 RPMs earlier spool, which is great, especially compared to the last turbo, which wasn't laggy at all. It was quite a good one, but this one's spooling absolutely fantastic all the way to the ref limiter. and it's so much fun to drive, and it's so fast. And I'm really curious, or I'm really looking forward to see how the car performs on track. That will be in 2 weeks, I think, at the 4th of May. Yeah, which we're gonna go to Anodura and have some fun. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna push the car back in the shop, and we're gonna finish it up during this and next week with all the fuel lines and everything, so it's ready for test. And then we're ready to go, and hopefully not destroy anything. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and have a good week. See you next time. Goodbye.